In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text in AutoCAD. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Begin by launching the multi-line text command. You can type mtext or just T and press enter, or click the multi-line text icon on the ribbon. Any of these methods opens the same tool, so use whichever is fastest for your workflow. This command creates text that behaves like a paragraph, which is ideal for notes, labels, or longer annotations. Next, define the text box on your drawing. Click once to set the first corner, then click a second point to create a rectangular boundary. The box sets the width and ensures text wraps automatically, so think about how much horizontal space you want before you click the second point. If you need a narrow column of text, make a slim rectangle. For wide labels, click a wider second point. You can always resize the box later if the text doesn't fit exactly as you imagined. As soon as the box is placed, the in-place text editor opens automatically. This is where you'll type your content and see formatting changes in real time. The editor is a simple, familiar interface that lets you work without switching tools or dialog boxes. If the editor doesn't appear, check that the command completed correctly and try the mtext command again. Use the editor toolbar to format your text before or after typing. You can change the font, adjust the text height, set justification, and create bulleted or numbered lists. Pick a clear font and size appropriate to your drawing scale so annotations remain legible when plotted. Alignment options let you place text left, centered, or right within the box. Justification controls spacing across lines if you need neat columns. If you have standards, apply text styles now to keep everything consistent. Type your text into the box, paying attention to line breaks and spacing. If you need special characters or symbols, the editor supports common ones. For more advanced symbols, use the character map or your CAD symbol insertion options. As you type, AutoCAD wraps words to the next line automatically when they reach the box edge. When you're done, exit the editor by clicking outside the text box or pressing the Close Text Editor button. Your text becomes a single object that you can move, rotate, or edit later with mtext. A quick tip: double-clicking the text reopens the editor for easy changes, and grips let you resize the text box without retyping. That's it. A straightforward way to add clean, editable multi-line text to your AutoCAD drawings. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like if this helped.